Alright, we're back to carving our figure now, and we've already begun to establish our arms where they should be. Now we need to start blocking out the head and the hat a little bit, okay? Now the hat, of course, is up here, in which case we're going to take and we're going to come across where the hat and the head meet together, and we're going to start removing some of that. Take the edge of my knife and just sort of remove some wood. Okay, then I come on the other side and I do the same. Move the wood up underneath. This was the easiest figure I could find as far as a clown. I mean, you can make elaborate clowns, you can make, that's why I'm trying to make this one as simple as possible for the figure carver. Just continue to take wood out from underneath that. Of course, here's the nose. Just like that. Okay. Now let's sort of separate take some okay, the nose is not going to be a regular tight nose. It's going to be sort of a round nose, like a ball. So what we want to do is sort of get that nose down to a sort of a ball shape. You do that simply by taking off a little bit on each side. Just like that. Of course, it has to be brought down a whole lot more. Okay, starting to see a little bit of a form there. And remember, Clown's got kind of a larger than life face, as we might say. So his face is a little bit larger, as we say, or more, you know, of course, when you paint it and everything like that. Okay, I'm going to continue on this nose. Now I'm going to just take a little bit off. See how I go around the sides here? And you kind of go around it. Like that. Until it's got kind of a round shape to it. See, almost like that. Very, very similar in such a way. Okay. Now let's go ahead, and we're going to have to really be careful. We're going to work on this hat a little bit. We're going to separate the top brim of the hat from this here. And you want to be careful. You want to be very, very careful, because this is an area that can break easy. So I'm taking see how I'm taking little parts of it right there. I'm not getting heavy with my knife. You see, because this is an area that is very, very tender, as we might say. You want to just take a little bit off at a time. Oops, see what I'm saying? There we go. It didn't, nothing broke, but you see the knife slipped a little bit in the wood. Be very, very careful, folks, when you get into areas like this, in other words. Because sometimes you find the part of the wood that's maybe weak or something like that. And from the top here, we just want to look and show you how I kind of go from side to side, getting the pieces off like that. Just like that, see? Then come in here and kind of take that off. You have to be careful though. because this is an area that is very delicate. You don't want to put a whole lot of pressure. Let your knife do the work. And take small, you know, it doesn't hurt to take small cuts. You understand? A lot of people want to take these huge cuts and stuff like that. But in areas like this, I take small cuts. I don't get in a hurry. Takes longer, yeah. But these brims on these hats are very, very very, very delicate. So you want to be very careful on those areas. Okay, my time's up. And we'll continue carving the clown.